Alright, well welcome folks to another new style of video, the point of view walk around. Alright, well let's get started on the details of the 2020 Jaguar F-Pace 25T R-Sport. This car is finished in optional Firenze red metallic paint and has the R-Sport black pack for gloss vents, grille, window frames and door cladding, as well as the optional panoramic sunroof. The 19-inch split 5-spoke wheels in gloss grey with the diamond faces are standard on the R-Sport. Right, well the F-Pace has a power tailgate and a 508 litre boot. There's plenty of storage, and as you can see, the rear split 40-20-40 folding seats, if lowered, will expand the cargo volume to 1740 litres. Now keep in mind that this format is new to us, so we are keen to hear what you think. Give us some feedback on the clip, what you like, what we can improve, and what cars you'd like to see us do this with. In the back, you can see the split ebony and light oyster leather seats with contrasting stitching. Now these are a no-cost option. It's also pretty fair to note that we, or you, whichever way you want to play this, are 6'2", and with the driver's seat in the position that it's in, you can see that someone that tall, there's not a lot of room. But if you are shorter or your rear space plans are mainly for children, there's good overall space and visibility from back here. In the centre there, you can see that there are vents as well as twin USB charge points, as well as a 12-volt outlet. It's very handy. Okay, to the front. Now the Jaguar cockpit is quite cool. There's lots of carryover from the XE sedan, which is actually a good thing. Okay, we'll fire it up. The 10-inch Touch Pro screen is standard and comes very well featured. Here you can see navigation. The map offers you a pinch and move behaviour like on your phone. There are a number of cameras in the F-Pace, which is very helpful with a wide-angle view as well as your standard reverse view. Now the rotary transmission you can see on the left, it rises up out of the console. We'll turn that to drive and get on our way. Quick head check is always important, folks. One of the strange things with this POV filming is how long our arms look. It's almost like a computer game. Now we're sitting as far back as we can so that the view of the steering wheel and dash is as clear for you as it can be. It does look a bit funny though, so again, hit us up in the comments if you have any tips or suggestions for this type of video. Now the 25T features a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine with 184 kilowatts or just under 250 horsepower and 365 newton meters available. Nice little exhaust note from the Jag there. Right, well for those of you who aren't from Sydney or even Australia, this is the famous Harbour Bridge. You can probably see there are no lane dividers, the overhead signs which say which north or southbound lanes are available depending on the time of day. There's a walking path on the far left and a railway line on the far right. Alright, well we've turned around now and are heading back northbound, and that was one of Sydney's famous double-decker trains you just saw. Coming off the freeway, and it looks like we're following a rather cool 991 GT3. That is Mexico blue for anyone playing at home. Right, a quick park in one of Sydney's narrow streets and we'll twist to select reverse. Careful not to scratch those wheels. Nicely done, if I do say so. Into park, park brake on, switch it off, and that is the 2020 Jaguar F-Pace 25T R-Sport from your point of view. We hope you liked this virtual tour and drive. Let us know what you thought, what you liked, what you'd like to see more of in the comments below. Should we go somewhere different next time? Of course, hit subscribe to stay up to date and jump on over to caradvice.com.au to read more about the details about the Jaguar F-Pace or any other new car.